Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to save power when low battery on itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. In settings, okay, go to battery. And battery, okay, and power management, you can see the low power saver. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the low power saver. Here in low power saver, okay, you can see the save power when low battery. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to save power when the battery is low, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side to save the power, okay? And also you can set the value of low power. So the value of low power is set into 30%, okay? So you can adjust this by tap the set value of low power and the pop-up are show, and now you can see the option. Okay, you can set the value of low power into 10%, 15%, 20, 30, 40, or 50%. And okay guys, I decide to change into 20%. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully save the power when the battery is low on my itel Alpha Lite mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.